So I just got a new amplifier here from Shark Car Audio. It's their new brown box 4500. I previously had their prototype 4500. These guys are awesome. Hooked it up with some free stickers, free shirts. I want to do an unboxing video, show you guys this amp. I've never done an unboxing video before, but I want to show these guys some appreciation. So this is a pretty big amplifier. My hands are pretty big. Compare it to my hand. Alright, I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, see the goodies. Of course, double boxed. I'm gonna attempt to pull this out here. Alright. There it is. Crane. I'm mistaken, triple boxed. Oh, nice, even comes with Allen wrenches. Base knob. It feels nice and solid. It's not easy to turn. It's not loose at all. This feels really quality. Dual inputs. Yeah, this is a huge amplifier. Very big. Made in Korea. I would definitely recommend one of these. Look out for these guys. And I'll definitely show you my demo when it's all hooked up. You're going to be seeing a lot more of these amps. Highly recommended. Thank you, Shark Car Audio.